Do you ever like see that you put lipstick on and then you're like, when did I do that? Yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm filming much later in the day. Hold on, let me silence everything because I always forget to do that, and then all of a sudden, whoopity bambity boom, all the noise. So hello, welcome. We're doing a multi-box unboxing, subscription box unboxing today. We're doing the Chic Beauty Box and the AIA Beauty Bundle Box. So let me take a thumbnail. All right, got the thumbnail. So I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, I know what I'm telling you guys. Okay, I gotta show you guys this before we jump in. So if you're new here, welcome. My name's Rhonda. Over here, we embrace the hot mess in this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Couple little things. I uploaded a Temu video. They've got freebie deals going on. I'll link that video down below for you all. Definitely make sure to check it out. When I say deals, the deals are insane. It's amazing. So anywho, look what I got. I got this at Walmart. I've been eyeballing it and it's on sale. I think I'm gonna pick up another one because it's on sale for $7.17. I'll link it down below for you guys. But it's a birdhouse. How cute is this? I don't know if you guys know this, but I am in love with the Pioneer Woman line at Walmart. It slides open like this and you put your bird feed in there and everything, but it went on sale and you know, I'm ready for spring. We had like almost 80-degree weather. It's 40 degrees today. I just like to update you guys every so often on our crazy Kentucky weather. But anyhow, I'll link this down below. It's by Pioneer Woman and that is one of my favorite. Like my kitchen is Pioneer Woman. No shame, absolutely love it. So anyways, don't forget to check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for curvy girl fashion hauls over there. Hotmess in the kitchen, where I'm very much not consistent, but I'm doing my best. And I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. Shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. We are growing and you guys, I appreciate y'all. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and you guys, mwah, you mean the world to me. So let's go ahead and start off with the AIA Beauty Bundle Box. This is a monthly subscription, and the one thing that I really have always enjoyed about the AIA Beauty Bundle Box, I was like running through the house, guys. And it's hair washing day, so man's business. Anyways, but what I love about the AIA Beauty Bundle Box is the fact that every month it's completely different. Sometimes it's hair, makeup, skincare. You just never know. So, well, you kind of do because they do show you over on Instagram. So code HOTMESS will save you 10% off your first box at AIA Beauty Bundle. You do have to make sure that you do click the insurance button in order to be able to use that code. So anyways, thank you to AIA Beauty Bundle for sending this box over my way. Ooh, okay, here we go. Looks like it's gonna be makeup. This is Rachel Couture, and it does have a little card, and then on the other side are the products that are going to be in here that we're going to see, and a little information. This is the Face and Body Shimmer Spray. Oh, look at this. It reminds me right away of like the OFRA Cosmetics or Iconic London spray. So this has a retail value of $16. I want to see if it has a scent to it. It's like so late in the day, so like everybody's getting home and I probably need to cook dinner. I'm going to try this TikTok dish. Oh, okay, no scent. It's like, oh wow, okay. Definitely has a little bit of a glitter. I wonder if you can rub it in and it's face and body. So it kind of reminds me a little bit of the Rodeo Drive setting spray from OFRA. I freaking love that. This one I feel like has a lot more sparkle in there. I don't know if my camera will pick it up, but it definitely has more glitter, I feel like, in there, which I don't really want that on my face. It's very much glitterier, but whatever. But this is something that I would definitely like put on my shoulders, my décolleté, all my legs in the summertime, so I do like that. Next is the lipstick, and the lipstick does have a $20 retail value. Ooh, look how pretty this little component is. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay. That shade is, oh yes, and it felt creamy. I love that. Right away, that kind of reminds me almost of like maybe a mix between Buttercup and Vintage Rose from Gerard Cosmetics. I love that. That is really pretty. So happy about that. So this does say the lipstick is a comfortable vegan lipstick with a high impact color infused with rose extract. Hey, it doesn't smell like rose on the swatch. No, I don't smell rose, so don't worry there. For those of you who don't like a rose scent or anything, I don't smell it. It does have vitamins and all kinds of stuff. Ooh, and it does have the rose extract in there to help combat fine lines. I didn't know that. I'm gonna have to put some rose on me. The next thing is a translucent powder. Oh, okay. So, and it does have a little bit of a tint to it. This is a translucent powder in medium. It does have a retail value of $20, and it says it's a vegan finishing powder infused with arnica extract to mattify and set, providing a silky, long-wearing, shine-free finish. Arnica, yeah, it is arnica. It's a number of compounds that are great for the skin. Okay, I would put arnica on my shoulder when I broke it because it helped with the pain. Also helps with bruising and everything. So anyways, moving on, the next item is liquid blush. I love cream products, you all know that. I love liquid blushers. So this has a retail value of $20. Okay, this packaging, even though it's a sticker over top of it, I really like it. It's really cute. Is this the color of it? Because that's a, yes. Oh my gosh, I got too much. This is a nice box. See, here's the nice thing when it comes to subscription boxes. Oh, that is, she pigmented. Even when you rub, it stays pigmented, which is very nice. Oh, I love that. I mean, but you guys can see that is pigmented. That is really, really nice. So, but I totally lost my train of thought of what I was gonna say. Yep, got nothing. All right, moving on to the next item here is the Golden Glove eyeshadow palette. I love how everything packaging wise is literally like cohesive. So this has a retail value of $29. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. This is like a romantical kind of color story. Isn't that pretty? I like that a lot. This is really speaking to me. Ignore the fact my nails are off. I gotta put new ones on tonight. That is so pretty. Okay, so I swatched it over the blush, so it doesn't look that great, but this is really nice. It's in like your standard type of cardboard packaging. This does say it is a vegan eyeshadow formula with 16 coordinated colors that are infused with natural botanical extracts formulated with natural ingredients and pure pigments. So that is everything in this month's AIA Beauty Bundle box. I like this. Oh, I think I remember what I was gonna say. Sometimes it comes back to me. Other times it's just gone like a fart in the wind. But I really like that when it comes to, especially the AIA Beauty Bundle box, is they are really good about putting brands in the box that I've never heard of before. Example, this one, Rachel Couture. I don't know anything. I've never heard of the brand, the company, or anything. So I'm definitely intrigued by the products. I'm really excited about it. And I love the nice little, you know, amount of products that we did get in the box. I definitely think, I think it comes to like $38 or something for this box. I'll have the link and everything if you're interested down below for you guys. But I think at the end of the day, I mean, this box, it does seem that you get a good amount of product for your money. Yes, okay, so I am on AIA Beauty Bundle's website, and it is in fact $38 for $100 worth of products. So I think, in all honesty, plus you get that 10% coupon code Hotmess. I think it's really good. I mean, I could definitely use everything in here. It's my color story, so I am really pleased, and I do feel like that is a good deal. All right, let's go ahead and let's unbox the Chic Beauty Box. Now, there is a difference when it comes to the Chic Beauty Box and the AIA Beauty Bundle. Now, the Chic Beauty Box, this is a bi-monthly subscription. It is $34. It's said to be all makeup. You'll choose, okay, your products. AIA is already curated. The Chic Beauty Box, which is a bi-monthly subscription, you get to pick your picks. Now, both of these were sent over in PR. So for the Chic Beauty Box, I didn't make any of the picks. Now, this is a bi-monthly subscription for $34.99. And I do believe it's either code Rhonda or Hot Mess will save you 10% off your first Chic Beauty Box. Okay, so we've got the box, but then outside of the box is something by Marc Jacobs. What? The Omega Glaze? Oh no, I hope you're not broken. Okay, so I love Marc Jacobs products, like the Omega bronzer. I love that. I'm pretty sure, like, I don't think they do makeup anymore, do they? Okay, this is so sleek. Yes, it's good. Oh, it's so buttery. Like, how is this not in business anymore? Oh, this is beautiful. It's in 80 worth, or 80 worth the wait. You guys, isn't that so pretty? I don't know why I think there's gonna be a scent. Did the makeup bronzer have a scent? Maybe that's why okay, I like that. That's awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead. First product in here, really good. This is what the box looks like. All right, so this is the January-February box, and it says, say goodbye to the box of chocolates, fall in love with the Chic Beauty Box all over again. So it does say that this does have a $49 retail value, and the way this goes is, like it says, you get to customize. So I don't necessarily, it shows that there's 2 different variations based off your choice or potential variations, but I have found that sometimes I just get like a completely different variation than that. So next in here, you do get a little CoverGirl. This is the 4-kit eyeshadow. This is like so bringing back memories of high school. Do you guys remember these? I mean, I know they're still around, obviously, but I remember the one I had was like a honey glaze color or something. It was Bryon's. But yeah, this is really pretty. So this has a retail value of $9.99. Now, Chic Beauty Box, even though it is very like makeup heavy, they do give you both sides of the spectrum. You get high-end brands, and then you have like drugstore brands as well. Next in here, we have the Kylie Liquid Lip. This is a lip shine in 90s Baby 340, and it does have an $18 retail value. That's actually really pretty. That is definitely a shade that I wear now, and I probably would have worn in the 90s. So yeah, that is okay. So I like that color. Ignore the, oh, it's this one. Sorry, I forgot I took the other one off. But yeah, that's a nice color. All right, moving on, we've got the Smoke Show Kajal. I probably said that wrong. It's by Too Faced, and I guess it's a black liner. This is a $23 retail value. Oh wow, that's nice. Oh, that is such a nice liner. It's definitely a gel kind of liner. I honestly, sometimes I complain about black liners. I normally complain if they're like a liquid, felt tip liquid kind of liner, but these I can get down with because I wear black liners on my tight line, especially where I'm wearing false lashes. I've been kind of lazy the past couple days, but whatever. Next in here, we have the NYX Makeup Professional. Oh, it's a brush, okay. And it does have a $12 retail value. The other items you could have seen in here is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. You could have chose that. I think you could have chose that up against the Marc Jacobs All Over Illuminizer, which that Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder is really good. So honestly, if it was my pick, I probably would have picked that. Next was the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Shine Lacquer or the KVD Shake Primer High Impact Eyeshadow Primer. I probably went with the lip shine. Next was the NARS Precision Lip Liner or the Too Faced Black Eyeliner. I would have went with the Too Faced Black Eyeliner. Next, the NYX Makeup Brush up against the NYX Makeup Brush. So you got that no matter what. Same with the CoverGirl eyeshadow palettes. Maybe the shades were different or what have you. But this together was $34. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Any coupon codes and everything I will have listed and linked down in the description box for you guys. I don't know, I think this was a good month, you know, with the boxes and everything. I love getting more makeup again. I feel like for so long there was so much skincare out there that when makeup starts rolling in, I'm like, So anyways, make sure to stick around, subscribe so you don't miss it when I upload. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs and Hotmess in the Kitchen. I know, I'm not for sure when this video is going up, but I do want to plan on, I know I've been talking about it with you guys, but I really enjoyed, I think it was last week when I went live with you guys over on Instagram and we like got to play makeup and everything. So I definitely want to start doing that. So I'm gonna figure out a schedule. So if you guys like, that'll work best. I'd love to hear you guys' input on what days and, you know, potential times work for you. We'll just kind of go from there on that. Typically though, the daytime is the best time, and I know that that's not a good time for everybody. I don't know, I'm just thinking out loud, guys. Anyways, thank you once again to my YouTube members for helping support the channel. If you made it to the end of today's video, well, thank you. Thank you so much. Stick around. Might as well clickety click 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 that button. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, all information will be down in my description box, and kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out.